everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to make tapioca dice. It's an appetizer with tapioca and a special cheese that we usually use coalho cheese, but I don't have it, so I'm going to use another type of cheese that is really similar.
Here are the ingredients you're going to need. 25 grams of paneer cheese or coalho cheese, 1/4 cup of granulated tapioca, 2 cups of milk, a pinch of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Before we start mixing the ingredients, we will wrap a plastic film inside a medium tray. First, shred the cheese in a big bowl. Then add the granulated tapioca and mix it. Add the salt and pepper and mix it again. Now let the milk boil in medium heat. Once the milk is boiled, turn off the heat and add it to a bowl bit by bit. Mix it well and then place it in the tray. Then add plastic film onto the top and put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours to cool down. After 3 hours, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Remove the mix from the tray and cut it into cubes. Put oil in the tray and add the cubes. Then let it bake for approximately 40 minutes. Turn off the oven and it is ready to be served.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want, you can also deep fry the tapioca dice. I put it here with chili pepper jam because I believe it's really good with the tapioca dice. This chili pepper jam, it's a really spicy and sweet taste to the tapioca dice. What is really good with the cheese that has in it. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next Thursday.